it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful day. Back for another unboxing video now. This one, as you can see, is from Amazon. I've paid with it for my own money, so it's not a PR package at all. And yeah, that's it. So before I get started, if you could just like, subscribe, share, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. It is Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and most importantly, just turn on the notification bell as well, and that will notify you of any of my future uploads. Okay, so Amazon, as I said, this isn't a PR pack. This is one that I've purchased myself, so I thought I would hop on and show you what I got. Let's have a look here. Okay, so I've got two paintings. I've got one and two paintings. So I will link these as usual in the description box down below. So if you like them, then go and purchase them. But obviously the price that I paid for these will be different to what you possibly could pay, because Amazon, they put their prices up, they put their prices down. Sometimes you may get them for less, and sometimes you may have to pay more. Amazon, they make it up as and when they choose. So anyway, right, so two diamond paintings, both full drills. Let's have a look and see what we got. Okay, so it's nice and soft, this, as you can see. It is a beautiful horse, white horse, running along the seafront, on the beach obviously. And we get our standard kit with our green tray, our pink wax and a single placer pen. Okay, and then it's a normal acrylic resin drill. There we go. We have 22 colours on this one. Okay, it looks really clear, this image actually, so let's hope once the drills are down it will be the same. Adhesive is really good. Yeah, the printing style looks like it's a new print, so that's good. I'm just trying to flatten this as much as possible. Actually, we could give it a little roll first before we do that. So this just helps it relax, because we don't know how long it's been folded up for, and we don't know how long it's been in the warehouse for. But they always go nice and soft once they've been out at room temperature for a couple of days anyway. So actually I can see from the back of it, the folds don't look too bad actually. So there we go. Let's just do this side. So a nice thick layer of glue. We can see a nice reflection there. You can always tell it's a nice thick layer when it starts reflecting. Okay, so we're just going to flatten this out nice and slow. There we go. We've got a little air bubble there that really bugs me. There we go. So it's a 30 by 40. Have I got it all in camera? No. There. 30 by 40. Yes, I'm on this tiny little table because, oh, sorry guys, the parrot is out and about, and she's just had a shower, a bath in her water bowl, which she does for some reason, and has decided to just splash me with water as she's flown over my head. Lovely. Thank you for that, Theo. Okay, so what was I saying? This is a 30 by 40 full drill gorgeous horse. And yeah, as I was saying before that, I had to have to use this table because my other table is just full up because we're going on holiday and it's just a mess. The whole living room is just a mess at the moment. So yeah, okay. So this one has 22 colours. The render looks really good on this. The adhesive is good. And I can't foresee any issues with this one at all. I'm just trying to have a look here. Okay, let me zoom you up close so we can have a look at the print quality. Okay, so there is, let me bring the thumbnail up close. That's the thumbnail of what it should look like once completed. That's the item number and the size of the canvas. And the legend, 22 colours. We do have funky symbols, guys, which you know I'm not a fan of. Oh gosh. We do have the DMC codes listed as well on the legend. I don't personally collect my leftovers with the DMC codes. I just don't do that because I do so many, you know. It would be coming out of my house, spilling out onto the road if I collected all my leftovers. So yeah, we've got quite a lot of funky symbols. We've got alphabetical and funky symbols. So yeah, not a fan of this legend, but we will do what we do. So print quality is really good. And I'm going to tell you the price of what I paid for these at the end of the video. Okay. So there we go. I'm loving the fact that the horse is reflected in the beach, in the sand. Beautiful. This image to me just screams freedom. I don't know why. It just, well, because the horse isn't on a horse lead. It's not tied up to anything. It doesn't have anything round its face. It just screams freedom to me. So, and loving the beautiful sunset on in the background. It'll be interesting to see how good this area comes out as well once those drills are down. That was a wet VO landing on my camera, guys, so I do apologise about that. She's a nuisance. Okay, so let's have a look at the colour palette, because I do like to see what colours I'm going to be working with. So she's actually zoomed you in. So let me just leave this here. No, I'm going to turn it actually, and then we can have a look at this colour palette. 22 colours. Okay, so straight away we can see we've got some mauvey colours here and purples. The drill quality looks pretty good actually. Yeah. Okay. Could you turn the light on for Mummy, please? Okay. So, just telling my youngest to turn the light on because the light has gone a bit funny in my living room. Okay, so we've got another deep purple. We've got an orange, a grey, purple again, a really lilac-y light purple, yellow, an off-white, we've got a navy colour, deep purple again, maybe like a navy purple, that one, a reddish brown, navy, navy, navy blues, orange, pink, a creamy orangey colour. It's only one else's mind go blank when they're looking at the drill colours, because there's so many different shades. This one is like a pinkish colour, pink again, brown and purple. So a real nice selection of colours there, but there are some dark blues in there as well. Lovely. Just trying to see what it is a bit confetti-ish in areas, and you might need a light pad over here as well in the darker areas. In fact, I think you would. Yeah, but it has been printed in the new style, so up here is a little bit of colour blocking, so it's a bit of both, a bit of confetti and a bit of colour blocking. So there we go. I'm pretty sure that I have seen Diamond Grandma do this image before. I'm pretty sure I've seen her do it, and I really liked it. So it just screams, as I said, freedom. I love the beach, and that's where we're off to, so hopefully sometime soon. So, and always make sure that your code here on the drill bag matches up to the item number, because sometimes mistakes happen. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so there's that one. Next one is there we go. It's stuck, it doesn't want to come out. There we go. So this one I got because the colours just screamed fall or autumn, perhaps. I don't know, but now I've got it, it doesn't really look like fall at all. But anyway, okay, so there's the standard kit, and it comes with some baggies, so they're good if you do hold on to your extra drills. Let's give it a roll. It's a lot stiffer, this canvas, actually. So it is a normal acrylic resin drill. It has the item number on it. No DMC codes on the drill bags, but that's fine because I'm pretty sure they're on the Legends. No, they're not. So no DMC codes on the Legend at all, or on the all on the drill bags, so that's fine. Oh, actually, I tell a lie. There are DMC codes. It's on the bottom one only. So the top one just has the bag number. The bottom one does have the two Legends. It's one at the bottom, one at the top, and that one does have the DMC codes at the bottom. So nice thick layer of glue. Again, very reflective. Excellent quality, and yeah, very good adhesive. So the symbols, we do have a couple of funky symbols, but it's mainly alphabetical. There we go, guys, it's 12:01 PM. So there we go. I think This one will be fine after it's been laid underneath some heavy books. Just trying to get rid of that air bubble. There we go. Okay, 30 by 40. There we go. 30 by 40, 20 colours, full drill, normal acrylic resin. Okay, I'm going to zoom you up so you can see the quality of the print. Beautiful butterfly and flowers. There is our legend there. And there is the thumbnail. I'm bringing it up close to you so you can see, guys. There we go. Hey. So it's like a spring day, I would say, this one. Or flowers and butterflies. Beautiful reds, yellows and oranges. The print, it has been printed in the old pixel print, so it's all squares. I'm just trying to see. Yeah, it does look like it's pixel printed to me. Yeah, it's all blocks. Okay, never mind, it doesn't bother me. Once the drills are down, they will look good regardless. Fingers crossed. Okay, so here is your legend on this side with all the DMC codes listed. Let's zoom you out. So there we go. Beautiful colours going on here. Right, let's have a look at these drills now, the 20 colours that we're working with. Okay, so B8901 is the item number here. Always check your drills. I always say it. Don't just get your diamond painting and put it in a bag and just think, oh, I'll get it all out when I'm starting to work on it, because it's always best to resolve these things as soon as you purchase them. Okay, so we have a dark purple, another, well, that's like a brownish purple, another dark purple, a grey, green, purple, two bags of different shades of green, an orange, yellows coming in now, orangey yellows even, pink, then a real like brownishy yellow there going on, a brown, dark green, blues, browns again, pinks, brownish pink, I would say that is, and then a really light red, big bag of light red. So yes, all 20 colours are present. Just seeing that, looks to me like there could be a little crack in this bag, just ever so slightly, so I might have to tape that up in a second. But other than that, the quality of the drills look fine. I'm not going to be measuring the canvases anymore, because most of the sellers on Amazon now are actually putting the measurements in the description listing. So there we go. Okay, so that is my unboxing completed. I'm just going to hop off, check my emails and see how much I paid for these so I can let you know. So hang on a second. Okay guys, right, so I've got the prices for you. I paid $3.99 for both of these. So, and that was free Amazon Prime next day delivery. What they are now, I don't know. Because as I said, the prices go up and down on Amazon, so they may be more or less, I don't know. Okay guys, but I will put the links in the description box as usual down below so you can have a look. There's a wet Rio there because she's just had a nice bath, and yeah, I'll put the description in the links for these in the description box down below, and then you can click on if you choose to purchase. But I think for the horse, $3.99 is, well, for both of them, $3.99 for free delivery is a really good price actually. So there we go. I always like to spend underneath £5 is my budget. £5 tops. That's it for me. So for diamond painting off Amazon. So yeah. Anyway, okay guys, so I'm going to love you and leave you. And I hope you all have a blessed remainder of your day. And if you like my content, then please like, comment, share, and turn on your little notification bell, and that will notify you of my future uploads. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. Also, hitting that thumbs up button is a really good tool for both yourselves and for us as YouTubers, because it will let YouTube know what your preference of content is, and it will filter then any recommendations of other content similar. So Rio, stop. The more people that hit that thumbs up button, the better. So take care, God bless, and look after yourselves, look after one another, and I hope that you all have a blessed remainder of your day, and I'll speak to you all soon. So bye for now guys, bye.